breakfast, the Laurel household. And little red sausages, eggs, pancit canton,
Bihon.
pancit bihon.
Canton is big.
Canton's big, bihon's little. Okay, got it. Oh, mangoes and coffee. Yeah.
I'm gonna have a haircut though.
Oh, Christina's gonna have a haircut today. Good morning, it's a new day, and today we are just entering the Festival Mall. Christina's getting a haircut.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all the different kinds of halo halo in the Festival Mall. Oh, Christina's choosing one of these beauties. Ah, that's great. There's Christina, and I will get to share. I will get to share in the halo halo. Oh, there's a halo halo.
Yeah.
What kind did you get? What's the name of your halo
This is
halo?
salty summer.
Salty summer
Because
halo
they
halo.
put, it's on the pictures, it's a big
It's a big
salty
one
egg.
in the
Like salty egg,
salty
like that.
egg.
Yeah. Itlog na maalat.
Yeah.
But in real life,
Yes.
a sliver. A sliver. It's on the picture.
Oh, the picture's a whole egg, but real life
Yeah, the real life.
is a little piece. What do you? How does it taste? Christina likes the taste. She's not sharing yet, though.
Not yet. This is the creamiest halo halo ever.
Ever, eh?
I went to Davao. I went everywhere. This is by no means the best.
Well, it's not the best, but it's the creamiest. Okay. It's not the biggest. Oh, I get to have some. Christina has purchased a birthday cake at Red Ribbon Bakery. Christina also has a haircut, a birthday cake. So we're ready to head back. Heading back to the neighborhood on a jeepney, whose shops are somewhat limited. No, kick. Party time. Wow, look at that food. Oh.
Yung mga bata na sana. Di ba in-invite mo yung mga bata?
Asan nga eh? Oh, hanapin ko.
Ano pa kailangan?
I'm gonna look for those kids.
Ayan, ayan.
Wowzers. A lot of fish. That's all. Oh.
Di pwedeng pakawalan yung batang yan eh.
Hi, Jared.
Chay! Alin na ka, Chay?
Lalagay ko na sa isang plato.
Hi, baby.
Pwede bang yan mo muna ba? Pati ito barbecue ito. Karne barbecue.
Game. Ayan siya.
Hey!
Kanina pa. Kayo. Nakanta natin si Yesha.
Oh!
Yan na. Kumena.
Ate Luz.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Woohoo!
Kanta ulit.
Oh! 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 Happy birthday to you.
Hiwain mo yun. Hiwain mo ito.
Wow. To leave.
Thank you.
See you next year. Okay. Iniwan ko yung mga candy sa
We will return with a big crowd.
Kukunin mo lang yung mamam niya.
Did Jared make it?
Oh, yeah.
You get. He made it! He made it! He's there!
Sumama ka na. Ayun nga.
He made it in!
Yung maiyak eh.
Good job!
Leo, okay lang sa amin bata?
Ayaw mo siya, dito na ako.
Good job!
Nakaupo siya sa ato eh.
Jared?
Ganda ba?
Saan ka mo nakaupo? Ha?
Complaining works.
Terminal 1, right?
Terminal 1. Yeah.
Ano nangyari? O yung yero.
Oh, so tight.
Yung yero.
It's tight in here. Wow.
Sorry, yung mamo nandito sa likod. Leo, thank you ah.
Whoa. Thanks, Leo. Here we go. Oh. Bye-bye. 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 Oh, I better catch up.